So now you see this button over here. Thank you for visiting. You can buy me a coffee and anyone can buy me a coffee from here. Hello, so in this video I will tell you how you can add buy me a coffee to your WordPress website without using any plugin. So here you can see I've created my page on buy me a coffee and I have added two products as well. So this is a Zoom meeting and this is a digital product. So there are 1200 plus entrepreneurship editable Canva templates that you can use on your social media. So it's good if you want to be an Instagram influencer, so you will not need to create any content and you can use these. So here when you will click over this button, you will see start a page and login. If you have not created any page on buy me a coffee yet like this one, then you can click on start a page and you can sign up. So this page will automatically show up and then you can also create these type of products. So for now we have already created this page, so now we can log in. So here we will enter the email and we will log in. So now if you want to add this page in your WordPress website without using any plugin, then you can click over this button and you can go to the dashboard. And here you will have to scroll down and you will see integrations. So here you see the WordPress thing over here that you can use. If you will click on visit, you will get the WordPress plugin, but that's not what we are looking for. So because we don't want to use any plugin, so we will go to buttons and graphic, and here we see the generate button, website widget. So here we have several other things that we can use. So when we install the plugin, we see this widget. So if you don't want to use the plugin and just want to add this widget, and that is on your website, you will see a button something like this one. So to add this, you can just click on generate, and here you can see the sample. So here you can also select the color that you want to use. So for example, if I want to use this blue color, and here I can write any message. So we have written the text and now we will click on generate widget, and here you can see the code. So we will copy this code and now we will go to the website. So here is my blog website. So now I will go to the dashboard, and here we will have to go to appearance and we have to go to the theme editor over here. So if you face the same issue that I am facing, like the theme editor is not showing up over here, then you can go to this video. You can search theme editor. Theme editor not showing Kashif memo, then you will see this first video. So you can watch this video and this will fix your issue. So I can fix the issue and come back. So here you can see the option is now showing theme file editor. So we will go to the header thing over here, header.php. So we will have to go to header.php over here, and here we can scroll down and here you will see this head tag. So here you can see the head tag, and here we can paste the script, and you can scroll down and you can update the file. So now you can visit the website. So now you see this button over here. Thank you for visiting. You can buy me a coffee and anyone can buy me a coffee from here. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more related videos.